Hello artists. This frog was disastrous, but it turned out good. The airbrush was really a disaster. Turns out 74% humidity is not good. And I also had my paint too thin for the airbrush, so that was kind of hard. I used for the umbrella a combination of Yeho Surface Primer Black and Citadel Chaos Black spray paint. I sprayed over the umbrella the old GemStone Army Painter Metallic, and then it was RainForest WarPaints Fanatic with Biel Tan Citadel shade dabbed on it with a sponge. And then the umbrella stalk was a mixture of dragon red and black metal, or death metal I think it's called, and then dragon red for the eyes, and that mixture that I have on the umbrella stalk for the pupils. Thank you, artist.